So let's now take a look at how we can insert data into a table. Okay, so here, right here, I have the code here, right here, in the index.php file. As you can see here, index.php file, right here. So here we first made a connection to the database, right here. We first made a connection to that database, right here. So from there, what we do next is we insert the data into the table, okay, that we created. Okay, so here in the MySQL, let me show you here. Here in MySQL, right here, I have a database here. It is called test, and it has the users table. Okay, and this users table looks like this. Okay, it has 4 columns: the ID, names, email, and age. Okay, so from there, now let me explain what this code does. Okay, so here we have the name variable, and it contains this name called John Doe in form of a string, because it is a string. And we have an email variable, and this email variable has a john@example.com. From there, we have another variable called age, and this age is 25, and it is an integer. And from there we have this SQL code. Okay, this is another variable, okay, which is going to contain a string which has our SQL commands. Okay, so right here, let me show you everything. Okay, so right here, okay, so it ends there. So here we have SQL equals and this string. Inside this string we have insert into. We are inserting into users. This is the table, the name of the table. It is called users, and it has 4 columns, but the first one, which is the ID, is was set to be automatically incrementing. Okay, so there is a command, okay, that was specified that it will be incrementing, okay, the values, okay, the integer values. Okay, so here we don't need to specify that one for ID. We just need to specify the names column, the email, and the age column. Okay, from there we need to specify the values, okay, that we are going to insert in these columns. Okay, these are respective columns. Okay, respective columns. Okay, so here we have the first one, the name. Okay, the name. This name is going to be put in this column. Okay, in this names column. We have this email, so this email is going to also be put in this email column, and this age data is going to be put in the age column. Okay, so from there we need to check if we need to execute our SQL. Okay, so we execute it like this. We use the connection object. This connection, we use the connection object, and this connection object we are going to access the query. Okay, and this query is going to help us execute our SQL code. Okay, so inside here we pass in our SQL, okay, our SQL variable, and this SQL, and after executing our SQL code, is going to return true. Okay, if it has been successfully. Okay, so if it has been successfully, which means it is equals to true, we are going to echo this out: new record created successfully. Otherwise, using the else statement, otherwise we are going to echo out the error, and we are going to echo out our SQL code. After that, we are going to get our that connection error, okay, that we have got. From there, we are going to close our connection. Okay, so let me save. After saving, we are going to open our web browser. As you can see here, localhost, we are inside the my site folder, which is inside the htdocs folder. Then we go inside the index.php, which is inside the my site folder. Okay, so let us refresh. If we refresh, we get this output. We get connection successfully. As you can see, we first made a connection, so connection successfully. This one, let me show you. This one here, connection successful, because here we are checking for the connection successfully, and from there, new record created successfully. As you can see here, new record created successfully. And if we go inside our PHP my admin for MySQL, and then we check inside our table, we refresh, just click it again or just refresh here, so you will see this data. Okay. Okay, as you can see, we have the IDs 1 and the names. Under the names we have John Doe, we have the email, which is john@example.com, and the age is 25. Okay, so which means we have successfully inserted our data. Okay.